The independent MLA Engineer Rashid is protesting outside the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly against the stalling of the bills which would have scrapped the beef ban. Some of his supporters have also been picked up by the police. And today is the last day of the Assembly session that has seen continuous disruptions. Yesterday, MLA Rashid was even beaten in the Assembly by BJP MLAs for hosting a beef party. Why have you timed the...
He's sitting on Dharna outside the main gate of the Civil Secretariat and J&K Assembly, closing it is only entry and exit route of the Civil Secretariat. Now police is thinking what to do. Police is planning to take him inside the Assembly if he doesn't agree to do this. But this has since morning has created a situation outside the Assembly near the Secretariat main road where dozens of engineers supporters were arrested, detained by the police for carrying out protests, because always the 144 is enforced in this area. Many people, there were clash between the protesters and the police, and Engineer Rashid is saying he's protesting against what he says stalling of his bill by the government in the Assembly. Yesterday he had moved a bill demanding, seeking to scrap the beef ban law in Jammu and Kashmir that is invoked since 1932. And this has, after yesterday's racks and assault on Engineer Rashid by the BJP MLAs, his supporters were demanding action against those who assaulted Rashid, but Speaker has not taken any action against them. You can see there is really a chaos outside Civil Secretariat and Assembly because no vehicle can go in and go out. Chief Minister has entered the Assembly a few minutes back. He has before engineer sat on Dharna here, but now it's a tough challenge for the police how to deal with this situation. So all this session was actually dominated by the beef ban controversy. Now it is spilling on to the streets, and independent MLA Engineer Rashid taking black banners and carrying out a protest demonstration here in Srinagar. So clearly beef issue controversy is refusing to die down here in Jammu and Kashmir.